Want the secret to enticing multiple offers on your home? I'm Jenny Becker, here to break down what you need to know about prepping your home to hit the market. Believe it or not, getting ready to sell your home doesn't have to break the bank. Here are 4 areas that you need to focus on. You never get a second chance to make your first impression, so make one. Prep the outside of your home so that it makes buyers want to come inside. Fresh mulch, pressure washing, trimming your trees so you can see the front of the home all go a long way. Many sellers don't realize how excited buyers are to get to see their home, which means they show up early, which also means they're standing outside looking at your home for longer. Then, while the agent is getting the key out of the lockbox, what are the buyers doing? Standing at the front door, looking and judging some more. A fresh coat of paint and recently stained front door can be a game changer. Decluttering also makes a huge impact, getting rid of all your extra furniture. Look, the only time that there's 8 people in the exact same room of your house is at a showing. Open up the rooms of your house so that buyers aren't bumping into each other when they're trying to imagine themselves living there. Once you've decluttered and opened up the flow of traffic in your home, it's time to stage it. Staging is different than decorating your home. Staging needs to appeal to the masses with some style sprinkled in. You should also fix the little hiccups that everyone's got. Leaky faucets, squeaky doors, scuffed baseboards, chipped paint. Make sure that you also pay extra close attention to the entryway and the first areas of your home that a buyer walks into. If these areas of your home are in bad shape, the rest of your home will be under a microscope. Now that you've put the elbow grease into prepping your home to appeal to the masses, what am I going to do to help you maximize profits? How do you make your listing stand out and appeal to buyers? The trick is in the details and making the home stand out against its competition. There's a ton of behind-the-scenes work that goes into professional photos and in fine-tuning a compelling SEO-optimized listing description. When the home hits the market, the pictures in the description need to make the buyer feel like they're missing out on the home if they don't see the home that day. So how do we effectively market your home? Diversify. We leverage all of the social media platforms with both paid and organic reach. We've also had a lot of recent success with retargeted Google ads and YouTube ads. By the time we pair modern marketing with our agent-to-agent network, buyers and their agents feel like they've seen the home everywhere the day that it hits the market.